Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Marlena. Today's video is going to be just an everyday cleaning routine. Right now my house is a disaster, and honestly and unfortunately it really looks like this pretty much every afternoon. Some days it's a little better, some days it's a little worse, but it always just gets so crazy in here before the boys go to school. We're eating, we're doing activities, they're playing. So there's just a lot going on right now. I have toys everywhere, as you can see. Like I said, we've been eating, we had breakfast and lunch, so I have some dishes that I need to do. I have a living room and dining room area that is just so cluttered. So today I'm just going to show you basically what I do from 1 until 3 pretty much every day. My everyday just regular cleaning routine. Okay, so I always typically, start cleaning in the kitchen. I'm one of those persons who feels like when your kitchen's clean, the rest of your house, doesn't seem that bad. But today I thought I'd switch things up and start in the living room here. Just gotta get everything nice and organized, pick up toys and laundry. And I have, just some boxes and things like that I need to empty, go through before I move on into the dining room and kitchen. This little area just needs to be straightened up. We keep some larger games and puzzles and books and things like that in here, and I just need to get rid of some of these boxes, snow boots and things like that, and then I'll just give everything a nice little wipe down and dusting. So we're just going to move into the dining room here, and there's just a lot of things on this table. I just need to straighten it up, and I'm going to also start kind of undecorating from Halloween. My kids had just carved a pumpkin, and now they're putting literally everything in this dang pumpkin, I swear. So I had to get plus blocks out of there, and I'll be cleaning those off here soon, and we'll just work our way around this kitchen area. Okay, so the kitchen table is nice and clean. I'm just gonna make my way here into the kitchen. I need to get the island all, cleared off. I'll wipe everything down, and then I will start in with the dishes, unloading the dishwasher, and getting it loaded back up again.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. The fuck's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me for a pass out, I'm too lonely.
I honestly don't mind cleaning, but the thing I absolutely hate is unloading the dishwasher. I don't know why, but it's the thing that I hate that has to do with cleaning, is unloading the dishwasher.
When there should be two of us, and yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, fuck it, I'm made this way, but why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me for a pass out, I'm too lonely to be done in my drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Ooh. Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us?
Okay, so now that I have all the items I'm putting in the dishwasher, I just have a few things I'm going to wash by hand really quickly, and then I'll wash out my sink.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Ooh. Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain?
So just about every cleaning motivational video I watch, everybody has been using this Dawn dish spray, so I thought I would try it too, and it is really great. I like it a lot. I love it for cleaning. I've been cleaning my sinks with it, my bathroom sinks even. I got one for upstairs in my bathroom, and I just really like the way it sprays. This stuff is great. So everybody who's been using it, I understand why now. I love it. So as usual, this little family command center area is cluttered, and it always gets cluttered, and when it's cluttered it makes the whole entire kitchen just kind of look messy. So I always want to just declutter, make sure it's all good. So that's what I'm going to do, just take everything, put it where it belongs, and get it all nice and clean. Oh my gosh, and the next thing I need to work on in this area is my kids' little craft cupboard down there. It has all their coloring books and crayons and activities, and it is a mess. Every time I open it, it avalanches out. So, you guys, I'll be doing that soon. I'd let you guys see what everything looks like now that I have everything nice and clean. This is the after shot. Everything's nice and put away, looks decent. And I actually have some more time today, so with my extra time today, I'm going to be doing a little bit more of the undecorating from Halloween. You know, whenever I get done with my main chores, I guess, like with this whole area and it looks good again, I'll use whatever time I have left to either, you know, clean bathrooms or clean, you know, fold laundry, just whatever else needs to happen that day. And today I just really want to get some of these Halloween decorations down. I'm not going to be putting up Christmas decorations till later. You know, I have boys, and to them, decorations are toys. And so the longer, you know, I have decorations up, the more I have to say, don't touch them. Like, don't touch the decorations. Those aren't toys. So I'm just not in a huge hurry to get any Christmas decorations up just quite yet. We'll just have a nice kind of plain house. I'll just get my I have a couple just plain fall decorations that I'll just set back out here in a minute. So I DIY'd these from the Dollar Tree. They used to say Hello Fall, and I just painted the back and glued some different wording with a little leaf on there just to make it a little bit more my style. And I think they just are nice, simple fall decorations. Okay, so I'm just going to continue putting away these Halloween decorations here and cleaning, and then I'll take some of the Halloween decorations down in my dining room as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this simple everyday cleaning routine. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!